What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. I hope you're all having a great day today. In this video, we're going to be going over the crypto markets. I'm going to be going over some altcoins on Bullish on and some price predictions for this bull market as well for top 10 cryptocurrencies. Some pretty big crypto news as well. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell if you do want to be notified when I make new crypto videos. Alright guys, before we jump into the crypto markets, I do want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and don't just invest in cryptocurrencies based on anyone's opinion. These are my own opinions and you should do your own research and make your own decisions financially. So also I want to give you guys a quick update on the crypto giveaway I have coming up. I'm working on adding one more sponsor, which is why it's delayed, so I could bring you guys some extra prizes as well. I'll be launching that as soon as possible, hopefully tomorrow. So I will let you guys know more about that. Over $25,000 in cryptocurrency prizes. So I'm also going to be announcing the date and time in the next couple days for the cryptocurrency membership presale. That presale will be during the first week of March, and I'll give you guys the exact date and time so you can be prepared if you do want to partake in this. Keep in mind, this is going to be an entire year's payment for the membership site, but it'll be 60% off. You'll get early access to private groups and everything, and then your year won't start until the official website launches. So more info on that to come. I'm working on some big stuff with that, which is why I haven't been able to do 2 videos per day lately like I was previously. Alright guys, so jumping into the crypto markets here, another great day in the crypto space. Bitcoin touched $58,000 this morning. Now down a little bit, but that is expected, still above a $1 trillion market cap by itself. Pretty crazy since the entire crypto global market cap barely hit $1 trillion. That was every single cryptocurrency out there, every token and coin at its current price had barely just hit 1 trillion altogether, and now Bitcoin is over $1 trillion alone. So I do really like that. I do think bigger institutions will start looking at Bitcoin more now that it's a $1 trillion asset. And we do have word from JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley saying they will get into Bitcoin later on when there's more demand for it. So more and more demand picking up and the crypto space growing is just going to snowball and be better throughout 2021. I definitely see this growth continuing throughout 2021, but I do see some big corrections coming along the way as well. You guys have to keep in mind, a lot of people are in 20x profit and more on a lot of altcoins. I saw someone say they're up 45x on ADA, pretty crazy there. So ADA did touch $1.20, and I did hear someone pulled out 20 million ADA or so from staking and dumped that all on the market. Still, it's holding above $1 though. So we got lots of buying pressure continuing to come in. People taking profits is going to be normal. So Ethereum did break $2,000, which was its all-time high, but it is having struggled to climb as much as Bitcoin is, and that's because the Ethereum killers, Binance, BNB, Polkadot, and Cardano ADA, among other ones in the top 100 also, that are climbing pretty quickly. They're starting to take more of the market share. I do think people are dumping Ethereum to catch some profits in these other Ethereum competitors, but I'm still bullish on Ethereum possibly testing $3,000 in the upcoming few weeks, especially if we have a Uniswap version 3 coming, which there was a tweet from the creator of Uniswap, and he was hinting at Uniswap version 3 coming, which will add a layer 2 and make the gas fees much more affordable. And when that happens, I definitely think it's very possible that Ethereum price could move up along with that, because a lot of people are leaving Ethereum for Binance BNB, specifically with the Binance Smart Chain having extremely low fees. So Ethereum does need to get competitive with that. Otherwise, a lot of the market share is going to go to some of these competitors. ADA still has a little bit of ways to go, launching the Goguen mainnet, and smart contracts is definitely necessary before Cardano really has any major growth here, even though it's up huge already, which is why I think it's very possible for ADA to hit $2 to $3 in March. I'm also very bullish on Litecoin here, hitting $500 in March, possibly even more. I do think Litecoin is extremely undervalued, around a $15 billion market cap, We have to keep in mind Litecoin is better for transactions than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is held like gold, and I do think Litecoin will be the silver to Bitcoin being the gold very soon. And I do think it will require those PayPal crypto merchant payments launching and thousands of merchants accepting Litecoin as payment for the first time for people to really awaken to this. So I do think we're ahead of the herd here on Litecoin. I'm accumulating Litecoin as I can. Alright guys, so I did post this on Twitter yesterday. If you guys aren't following me on Twitter, I do recommend that. I do post here throughout the day if you do want to catch updates as they come. So at JRNYcrypto, my second backup account is Tony Spark OG. There'll be links to this in the video description. So this is kind of my price predictions for this bull market that we're in. ADA to $10, Polkadot to $100, and Litecoin to $1,000, making that pyramid. So I do believe these prices are pretty conservative here, and we could even go much further past this, especially with inflation kicking in, with all the fiat currency being printed. There's another stimulus package coming very soon. But keep in mind, the crypto space is very volatile right now. We've pretty much only been going upwards for the past couple weeks and haven't had any serious corrections in the market. And the markets move like waves, especially when things are very bullish like this. You have to keep in mind, there's people from just 1 year ago that invested in these cryptocurrencies at a much smaller price. A lot of people are up 20x and more. I'm up 20x on ADA just from the beginning of summer. And Polkadot was under $10 not too long ago. Litecoin, I think, is one of the most undervalued here. And I do think it's going to take some major events and the PayPal crypto merchant payments launching to really give Litecoin the spotlight again. So Litecoin is already listed on PayPal. They do have privacy features coming as well. So it's going to be the only top 10 cryptocurrency that has private transactions and public transactions, which I think that's pretty huge because people take privacy seriously with cryptocurrencies. And they also have a partnership with Cardano in the works. There's an airdrop coming for that Spark token that airdropped to XRP as well. So I will be doing another video on Litecoin coming up with major events coming up and everything. But that already being listed on PayPal, I think that's pretty undervalued. And if we look at the market cap, it only being 15 billion, for Litecoin to hit $1,000, that'd be less than $100 billion market cap, which is still less than 1/10 of Bitcoin's current market cap. And as the crypto space continues growing in general, we get closer to the PayPal crypto merchant payments, which they did announce that for Q1, and we're getting very close to Q1 ending here at the end of March. So I do think sometime in March is when PayPal's going to launch that, and I do think thousands of PayPal merchants will be announcing they're accepting cryptocurrencies for the first time. There's millions of merchants on PayPal. It's pretty much the biggest online payment processor. So Litecoin already being on that, and all these announcements coming, I think it's pretty undervalued here. So I am trying to dollar cost average into this as much as possible. And you can actually earn 6.5% per year on your Litecoin, lending it out through BlockFi. So while I'm waiting, I'm just earning some passive income on my BlockFi account as well. If you guys do want to sign up for this, you can get up to a $250 Bitcoin bonus by doing your first deposit. If you use my link, you have to use that link though. There will be a link for that in the video description, or you can just go to blockfi.com/JRNY. Signing up under that link and doing your first deposit, you can get up to $250 Bitcoin bonus, and then you'll also be earning 6.5% per year on your Litecoin deposited there. And then while you're earning that, the price of Litecoin going up at the same time. It's just a win-win in my opinion. So Gene Simmons recently got into cryptocurrency. He announced a couple days ago he bought $300,000 worth of ADA. That was in the 80 cents range, so he's up pretty huge on that already. He did post this yesterday as well. He's a happy investor in Litecoin. And then he said, do your own research. What is Litecoin here? So good video to watch here for Litecoin beginners. I will link this video in the video description as well. Definitely some great information here. So we are seeing a lot of celebrities getting into cryptocurrency now is what I've noticed. And I posted this. We have entered the phase where celebrities are now pumping altcoins regularly. Welcome to mass adoption. So we are going to be having retail interest peaking now that we have a lot more finance YouTubers posting about crypto, celebrities getting into crypto as well. So lots of people jumping into crypto is definitely going to help crypto retail interest peak. So we can see how much retail interest there is on Google Trends here. This is the Ethereum search worldwide for the past 90 days. So we can see the Ethereum interest levels for retail has been pretty steady since the beginning of January. I do think another leg up is coming here, which could push us up to $3,000 Ethereum. And I do think with a lot more interest from finance YouTubers and celebrities getting into crypto, that will draw a lot more retail investors into the crypto space. So as we can see, the Cardano interest did peak up recently as well, beginning of February. We are leading up to the Merry hard fork, which is coming on March 1st. So I do think this interest can be picking up again, which could be pushing us up to $1.50 to $2 very soon as well. Definitely check out my latest video here on Cardano. Hitting $2 to $3 with the Merry hard fork, and then leading up to the Goguen mainnet and smart contracts and everything. Huge things to come for Cardano, major events. People tend to pay more attention to projects when they have major events like this and major partnerships. So definitely a lot more retail interest coming to Cardano. So I also wanted to mention the price of SparkPoint SRK is actually up today. Pretty much holding around this 1 cent level, and we are getting closer now to the first major exchange listing that they have, up 40% today, and that first major exchange listing is coming on February 28th here, as we can see on their monthly roadmap. So that's going to bring a lot more accessibility to SparkPoint SRK for the first time and really put it on the map. And they do have a big token burn coming in March, as well as a S-Fuel airdrop for SRK holders. So we got another article here that does back that retail interest is peaking still. Americans are becoming increasingly bullish on cryptocurrency as Bitcoin soars to new records. So a new study of 30,000 Americans reveals 50% view cryptocurrencies as safe investments. The survey also revealed 57% of investors think companies should accept crypto as payment. And these numbers will only increase with time as people become more and more confident and more institutions get into crypto as well. So I will be doing an update on my Binance US trading series as well. And one altcoin I will be buying that I'll let you guys know now is going to be Atom. So we have been slightly discussing this. I will do a full project review on this later on as well. I just have a lot of other important content to get out of the way first. So Cosmos Atom does have some major utility. It's another Ethereum competitor. So Cosmos Atom is currently correcting in a strong uptrend while the pullback is 5 days old. The bears have not yet been able to pull the price down to the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level at $19. This shows a lack of sellers at lower levels. So Cosmos Atom currently being at $21. It has retraced. It did peak out over $30. There was some news about China using Cosmos as well. So this actually had a huge run up recently, as you guys can see, going from $7 all the way past $30. So it is correcting now to around $20. The market cap is 4.5 billion, which is actually pretty low compared to other Ethereum competitors. So I will be buying some of this. You can actually stake this and earn passive income within Binance as well. So that's another reason why this is decent to hold in your Binance account. There's also other passive income methods with Cosmos also. So this could be a great performing crypto throughout 2021 as well. I will be doing a deeper dive though and doing a full review on this. So something else very interesting here I do want to discuss, which is another reason why institutions and companies are going to be paying more and more attention to Bitcoin and crypto. Tesla bought $1.5 billion of Bitcoin, around $33,000. That means they have now made over $1 billion on that investment in less than 45 days. Just insane return here. That's more money than they've made on Tesla sales in the last year alone. Just crazy when you think about that. So this type of stuff is just going to get more and more companies and institutions interested in Bitcoin. And like I said, that snowball effect is going to pick up to eventually where there's enough demand in Bitcoin where JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley will eventually offer Bitcoin services as well. And that's really when we're going to have mass adoption. So I think PayPal crypto merchant payments coming up is really going to be a huge event that's going to get thousands of merchants accepting cryptos for the first time as payment is just massive. Not many people are talking about this, and I do think it's one of the biggest things to happen in 2021, which should be coming up in March. Hopefully PayPal's on schedule for that. So that's it for this crypto news and market update. I will be doing that Binance US trading series update, and I haven't even checked my balance yet after BNB skyrocketing over the past couple days and other things being up a lot as well. Really excited to check out the balance of that Binance account. So I will be showing you guys the updated balance and new trades I'll be doing in that coming up either later today or tomorrow. So also, if you guys are new to the crypto space, I highly recommend you get educated. Go to my cryptocurrency guides playlist here. Lots of great valuable information in here. And definitely you want to have an exit strategy, and this video on dollar cost averaging as well is very important. And I will be adding more videos here, so I will put a link to this cryptocurrency guides playlist in the top right of this video if you guys do want to learn more. And then I also have a cryptocurrency 101 course, buy, sell, and trade for beginners that you can find on the SparkPoint platform, their learning platform, where they do offer free guides for people. All you have to do is sign up and you get access to my 15 video course. That's the only place you can find this course. 15 videos of great information for beginners on how to get started buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies and avoid scams and major mistakes and be more successful in the crypto space in general. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did find the video useful, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share this video anywhere on social media with friends and family. Everything helps the channel grow and the crypto space in general, so I do really appreciate that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.